Overwhelmed? Digital marketing stressing you out? Don't worry, we got a solution for all your problems. Ranging from marketing to sales, and from analytics to operations, you got it all.
Media Shield helps you market any business to your target audience via SEO, SMS, and email marketing, collecting reviews, and listing your business online so that potential customers will find you online easily.
Plus, if you don't have a website yet, you can have it up and running in less than 60 minutes. But having a ranking website is not enough. You must have a smooth communication channel with your customers.
You will get Live Chat widget installed to your website in less than 2 minutes. Also, you can use Media Shield's all-in-one inbox rather than jumping between platforms and accounts. You can check your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google My Business, emails, text messages, and more, all from your Media Shield app.
Using Media Shield also can help you leveling up your business in many aspects. Paid ads performance, appointment scheduling, collecting payments and invoicing customers, team management, sales and marketing funnels, and much more.
Staying connected to us means never missing out on a detail. Sign up today for your free trial and start growing your business. www.mediashield.net